Hello everyone, it's me Payal and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to make a beautiful mixed media layout on an empty chocolate box. So let's be creative for the Valentine's Day with me. I'm applying a white heavy gesso and a clear gesso on my empty chocolate box. So basically I am reusing this chocolate box which I already stored before. I just want to highlight some area of my chocolate box, so that's why I am using a white heavy gesso. And yes, gesso is a must for the any of the mixed media project because gesso can easily absorb the colors and other mediums. So gesso is a must and gesso is a necessary for any of the mixed media project. I am applying some white heavy gesso on the edges of my heart to give some highlights of this area and then keep it dries properly. After that I am using this 3D glue gel and doing some stenciling on my surface, and I'm just randomly apply some 3D glue gel on my surface with the help of stencil. And yes, imperfect stenciling is a much better for the mixed media layout, so I'm just randomly apply. There isn't any perfect method for doing a stenciling because stenciling is imperfect and it looks very good. After that I am applying this 3D glue gel on my surface randomly. And random stenciling looks more natural and more beautiful. So I'm just applying 3D glue gel on my surface. After that I'm using this Ranger Perfect Pearls and sprinkling it on my surface, and then just keep it out and let it dry. So when it dries properly it looks very beautiful. After that I am applying this clear gesso just because I want to use some mica flakes on my layout. So I am applying this clear gesso on my mixed media layout, and after that I will sprinkle some Finaber mica flakes which is the black, and I'm just randomly sprinkle this mica flakes on my surface. I'm in love with this mica flakes because mica flakes can change your project completely. So after sprinkling this mica flakes, let it dry properly. When it dries properly, I'm using these washi tapes which I bought from the dollar store and sticking these washi tapes in this direction. And after that I'm using this doily and doing some stamping on my doily. I don't know why, but I just want to give some black effect on my doily. My doily is too bright, I feel that. And after that I am using this cutout which I cut it from the old greeting card. All the templates which I am going to use in this layout is from old greeting cards, and this photograph is from a Humans of New York. In this layout I used each and every material which is very easy available and which I bought from the dollar store. So in the mixed media it is not necessary to use expensive and a branded material. You can create a beautiful mixed media layout with the easy available and a local material. So that's it for the today. Make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubt regarding this project then just comment below. I will help you to solve your doubt, and till then, bye bye.